Hello guys. Yan kami ni Honey. Where's Honey? I couldn't see. Yee! See, this is not bad. Oh, so we can show you a beach. Oh, show our face. Show our foot. Sunny beach. Here, not beach. Oh, andito kami ni Honey. Yay!
This is our final part of Honey's birthday celebration.
Yes.
They come to the beach.
I love you, Honey. Kiss, Honey.
Love you too.
See?
We were gonna picnic here, but when we bring out our food, the seagulls come.
Yeah, we don't eat
So
our
we're
food.
gonna eat our food in the car when we're done on the beach.
See, I'm gonna show you. Show up.
Look, Honey, spaceship.
What? Spaceship.
Maybe it's airplane. What do you think?
I
Aliens?
don't know. Yeah, aliens. Aliens. Oh, diba? Andito kami. Look at the bird. Oh.
It's called seagull.
Seagull. The seagull is seagull. Dito kami. Ang inyong kapeska. Look at that. Actually, guys, I'm wearing my two-piece. But it's too sexy, you know. Honey said that it's too sexy for me.
I didn't say it's too sexy. I made another comment that I'm not going to put on your video.
Yeah.
But it was not covering you up very good.
Because my nene is very, very big now. Right, Honey?
Yep.
Oh, ako guys, kaya kong hubarin to, itong purple
Your
ko.
other two-piece will work, though.
So, talagang lumaki talaga yung boobie ko guys kasi talagang lumaki. Piruin mo yung matatabunan na lang yung nipple ko. Eh, charot. Di ba? Kaya nagsapaw ako. Ito, kita nyo itong brown. Ito yan. Tapos nagpanty din ako ng kanyang partner, no? Na brown. Two-piece nga eh. So, okay lang kasi kami ni Honey. Look at the beach. Meron nga nag-two-piece, oh. Kaya kong mag-two-piece, guys, pero no, ilagay natin sa tama yung ito, okay lang to makita kasi sumusuot naman talaga ako ng ganun eh. Di ba? Oo. So, this is the final of my birthday celebration. Alright, I'm gonna kiss Mark. Oh.